Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to be agent of Western Union money transfer. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Becoming a Western Union agent means you can provide money transfer services in a store, bank or phone shop. Some requirements to become a Western Union agent are business registration, physical location, valid license and permits, and bank account and basic equipment like computer, internet, printer and sometimes a post machine. In order to apply for it, simply head over and open up your browser, then on the search bar type in Western Union become an agent, and then tap on the link that says become a Western Union agent. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is fill out the agent inquiry form with your business name and type, location and branches. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is add your location and branches and contact information as well. A Western Union representative will contact you if your business qualifies. Submit required documents like business registration ID, permits and bank details, then sign in an agency agreement with the Western Union, receive training and system setup, and start offering money transfer services at your location. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.